Hey guys, gonna make a quick video. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna show you guys how to tell if your subwoofer is blown or not. I mean, I'm sure you'll be able to tell, but this kicker 10 right here is not blown, and you push on it, you can't hear anything. And this kicker 12 right here is completely blown, seized up. It's done, and you can hear it. It's completely dead. So that's how you know if your sub sounds like that when you push on it versus you know it's blown.